Hi guys, I'm Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look. It was totally inspired by Desi Perkins. I saw it on Snapchat and I was like, so I wanted to kind of create my own version. I love how this turned out. It's like super vibrant and like bam, I'm ready for summer. Before I get into the video, I just want to apologize. I've been gone for like 2 months. This spring for me has been insane. It was like every weekend I had something, and then the week I was too busy between like school and all that kind of stuff, and it was my sister's graduation. There were like this huge student council election, and then I got surgery, so I've been like recovering from my surgery. Like I'm still kind of recovering, so it's been like a really long spring, but I'm finally like starting to, well, I guess it's not even spring anymore, it's summer. So I guess it's been a long spring slash start of summer, but I'm just like finally feeling a lot better and ready to get back into makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to start out by taking the Colored Rain Cheers to the Beauty palette. I'm going to take the color Powder Room and put that all throughout my crease. Should probably zoom you guys in, so. Taking this on a super fluffy brush just so we have a wash of the color all over the crease. Sorry if you guys can hear my brother in the background talking. I think he's on the phone with his girlfriend. Next, I'm going into the ColourPop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. This was in one of the BoxyCharms, I can't remember which month, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. I'm going to put this all in the crease too. I'm just trying to get those peachy tones really popping. Making sure it's really blended on the outer corner too. I'm really bouncing around makeup brands for eyeshadow today, but I'm going to be taking Makeup Geek Chickadee, and I'm going to be putting it kind of above the crease, just so you have like a wash of the yellow. I'm doing this with a small but also fluffy brush, so it's blending the color, but it's more precise. I'm going into the 35B palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be taking this color down here. It's a super dark blue. I'm putting this on the outer corner of my lid. I'm actually going to be taking kind of a flatter brush, and I'm just going to be packing it, and then I'll go in with the fluffier brush and blend it out. And yes, my dog did bite this brush. It survived though, so. I'm really making sure this color is everywhere and super pigmented so it isn't blotchy. And I'm making sure that it gets really close to the lower lash line too. Now I'm going back in with the fluffy brush and making sure that everything is blended. Just to add some dimension, I'm going to be taking the black from this palette as well. And I'm going to be putting this on the outer corner. Just kind of dabbing it, just so there is some dimension. I'm then taking this blue metallic shade from the same palette. I'm going to be putting it on my inner corner. Wow, that shade went on amazingly. I'm like surprised I've never used a Morphe foil before, and that was like really good. I'm going back with this dark blue color down here. I'm taking a fluffy brush. I'm just going to go over right where the foil and the matte shadow meet. I'm going to take the white up here, it's like a bone color, and I'm going to go over the top right here. I'm highlighting all the way in. The Morphe shadows are good, but the fallout is pretty substantial, so you just have to know going into it to do your eyes first. You just have to know to do your eyes first, or your face makeup is going to be ruined. For my skin, I'm going to start with this CoverFX Blurring Primer. I'm going to put this just kind of like in this area. How did I get blue in my nose? Someone want to let me know why I'm literally a smurf right now. For the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. I love this one for illuminating the skin. For foundation, I'm going in with the YSL All Hours Foundation in B10 Porcelain. I love this foundation so much, but it's just so good because it has full coverage but doesn't look cakey and you don't look like a Barbie doll. I'm actually going to move this mirror closer to me. Sorry, you guys can now see it. but I'd rather the makeup look good. I go over this so many times just to make sure it is all seamless and pressed into the skin. That's why I like the Beauty Blender, because it really pushes it into the skin, where a brush just kind of has it sit on top. For under the eyes, I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair. Kind of need a little bit because the blue kind of stained, so same Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend that all out. Put it in the center of my face, so the light, everything's brought towards the center, which is your goal. I always blend out under the eyes last, because while it's sitting there, it's kind of brightening up your eyes. I don't even know if that's like a real thing, I don't know, that's just what I've always done. This really bright under here since the eyes are so dark. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder, dipping the same Beauty Blender in there. I'm going to pack it where we put our concealer, and with a really big brush I'm going to take it and just kind of stamp it all over my face. I'm now going to finish up the lower lash line. I'm going into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take this dark blue down here. I'm going to put that all across my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a really tiny brush, and I'm going to go into the black down here that we used on our outer corner. I'm going to put that just on the outer part of the lower lash line. I'm taking a pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I want a really blinding inner corner, and then I'm going to highlight right up here. I'm going to go pop on some falsies and I'll be right back. Okay, the eyes are officially done. They are super colorful, but I really like them. So now we're going to be moving on to the face. I love this bronzer by NARS. It's the Laguna bronzer. It's like really famous in the makeup world because it kind of bronzes and contours at the same time. And that's what this brush does too. I'm going to be using this brush that is really fluffy, but it's dense, and it's also like rounded at the end, so it kind of like contours and bronzes at the same time, because ain't nobody got time to do both, you know. I'm just going to make a little like kissy face. My lips are so chapped, it's bad, but oh well. I think I went a little hard over here, so I'm just gonna put some powder over it and pretend it didn't happen. For blush today, I'm going to be using this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in 18 Hush Blush. That was a lot of blushes. It looks like this. It's kind of like a mauve-y rose tone. Whoa, that was a lot of pigment. I was not expecting that. Okay. I always brush up, because with blush you want to like lift the face. I'm going to be using the Ofra highlight that we used for the inner corner and brow bone highlight in Rodeo Drive, except I'm going to be using a really light amount because it's a little dark for my skin, so sometimes you can like see the shadow here, but I'm going to try and use a really light amount and hopefully that will fix things. And then just a little bit here. There. For lips, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Bellini, I don't know. Do I sound really stupid? I'm not gonna go hunt for a lip liner right now, so we're just gonna freehand this and hope it goes well. Let me see if this is liquid lipstick. I mean, I just put it on. I haven't given like any time to dry, but it doesn't really feel like it. It's a lip gloss. Okay. That makes a lot more sense because I was like, this feels like a lip gloss. Wow. I just feel like I'm used to this bottle being a liquid lipstick that I didn't even like think of it being anything else. That was stupid, but I really like this and I like that it's glossy, so that's good. Finally, I'm going to spritz my face with some MAC Fix Plus just to make sure that the powders are melted into my skin, that the makeup will last, even though I'm taking it off right after this. I wonder what I look like while I'm doing this. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like being able to like go colorful. I love this look so much. That Morphe foil is like insane. It's blowing my mind right now that like Morphe, which is like so affordable, can like make an eyeshadow like that, because I kind of like don't really believe other YouTubers that much who have codes with them who are like, oh my god, it's the best. So it's really cool when you can see like firsthand that it actually is like really good. So that was exciting. I am loving this lip gloss so much. Oh my god. It's not sticky at all. That's why I thought it was liquid lipstick, because it's like thin and it has that kind of consistency, but it just doesn't like dry. It feels like a wet liquid lipstick kind of. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you like this look, or just like the video if you like the video. Please subscribe, follow my Instagram, add me on Snapchat, all that stuff. And thank you guys again for watching. Bye!